Okay, we are moving on to math, and today we are doing lesson 1-8. Hello, distance learners. So we are going to be working on problem solving using a 4-step process, and these are all word problems. I want you to look right here at this word, associative property. Can you guys say that?
Associative property.
Okay, so that's a very big word, and all that it means is that when we group how we add our numbers yesterday when we were making 10 and doubles or counting on, we grouped two numbers together first before we added our last one. So all associative property means is that no matter which way that you group your numbers, it all comes out to the same answer, okay? So whether you make tens, whether you make doubles, whether you count on, however you put the first two numbers together, it doesn't matter, it's all gonna come out to the same answer. All right, so right here, it says a class counts 4 owls, 6 hawks, and 7 crows in a forest. How many birds in all does the class count? So you are going to add 4 plus 6 plus 7 to find the total number of birds. And we all just went through that. So we're gonna look at the numbers being added and make a plan. Which strategy can you use? So I'm gonna scroll this up, but while we're doing that, look at your 4 plus 6 plus 7. Which strategy do you think you can use? Who has an idea? All right, Mary, what would you use?
Make 10.
So you would use the make 10. Would anybody use something different?
Yes.
Jack?
Doubles.
Okay, so that's, I see that you're looking here. We're gonna get to that in a minute. Let's start with the make 10 first. So the add-ins 4 and 6 can be added first to make 10, and then you're gonna add your 7. So 10 plus 7 equals 7. So we know that 4 plus 6 plus 7 equals 17. Now, this strategy we've learned our doubles plus 1, doubles minus 1. Remember doing that?
Yes.
Okay, so this is another strategy that you can use. You can use doubles plus 1. They're called near doubles. All right, so what you would do is they have your 7. So you have 4 plus 6 plus 7. You're going to take your 7 and your closest number that would be a double would be your 6 plus the 1. So that 7, instead of having it 6 plus 7, you would have it 6 plus 6 plus 1. Because you're making your 7 a double to go with your 6 plus the 1 to make it 7. Okay, this seems a little more complicated, right? But it really is not that bad. So you would do your 6 plus 6 equals 12. So you know if 6 plus 6 equals 12, you know that 6 plus 7 equals 13, right? So 4 plus 13 equals 17. All right, so all that this is doing is helping you find an answer, because doubles are a lot easier for you guys to remember. For some reason, doubles are just easier to remember than just any other number, like 6 plus, you can remember 6 plus 6 equals 12 a lot easier than 6 plus 7. I think because we work with doubles more. Okay, so that's what we're going to be working on, the different strategies, okay? So we're gonna do a couple problems together, and you guys look at, turn your papers over. So everyone should be on page 34, and we are going to do number 1 together. Okay, our first one. Brandon is filling water balloons. He fills 3 blue, 5 red, and 7 yellow. All right, so the first thing you should have actually done on your paper was circle, right? For our cubes. How many balloons does he fill in all? You're going to underline your sentence. And we want to know how many balloons does he fill in all. So what are we going to be doing? Adding or subtracting? Stephen?
Adding.
We're going to be adding. So I put the numbers over here already. Now, which strategy can we use? Can we make 10?
Yes.
Miles?
Yes, because 7 plus 3 equals 10.
Okay, so 7 plus 3 equals 10 plus
5
equals
15.
equals 15. So you're going to put 15. Brandon fills 15 balloons and all. And I want to see your work. I don't want you to just put a number. I want to see how you're coming up with your strategy. So write it on the side of your paper. Obviously, you'll have to write it smaller to fit in your area. Any problems on this one? Okay, let me see here. So you got it. Okay. Let's try the second. We'll just do the next two. Okay, Anna and Suri each score 4 points. Kara scores 6 points. How many points do they score in all? So who wants to try this one? Charlotte. What would you do?
So I would add the 4 and the 4 together.
Oh, I like that you saw that there was doubles, 4 plus 4. You must have been paying attention because it said Anna and Suri both scored 4 points. So we know that 4 and 4, now what?
And then we put 8. And then add 6 more to that.
Okay, so we're gonna add the 6 more to it. All right, and then what did you do? What numbers are you gonna add together first? The 4 and 4. And what are these called? Doubles, good. So 4 plus 4 equals? 8 plus equals? Do you need help? Who can help her? Simone, can you help her? 8 plus 6 equals? Mary?
14.
There you go, 14. Okay, so you have your 4 plus 4 plus 6. You used your doubles to add. And then you added your 6 onto that. All right, we're gonna do number 3, and then I'm gonna let you try the rest all on your own, and then we will check together. So last one. Anaya and Gwen each take 2 cards and add the numbers of dots on the cards. Both girls have the same total number of dots. How many dots are on Gwen's other card? So, can you see Anaya's cards?
Yeah.
How many does Anaya have all together? How many are on this one?
7. 8.
Let's count them.
7.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
so she has 7 here, and how many are here?
7.
Okay, so we have 7 on each. Now, how many who can tell me what 7 plus 7 equals? Connor.
13.
14. Okay, now how many on Gwen's card?
9.
Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
So there's 9. So how many should be on this card? If 7 plus 7 equals 14, 9 plus what also equals 14? Raise your hand. Dylan. Very good, Dylan. 5. So there should have been 5 on this card. So 7 plus 7 equals 14, and 9 plus 5 equals 14. So there are 5 dots. You're going to write it down here, and you're going to show your work also. Okay, so for the remaining, you're going to try to do them on your own. We're going to check together. If you have a problem, let me know. But I want you to show your work. Okay, just like I wrote it to the side, try to do your cubes. Any questions? All right, guys, you are good to work on your own. Distance learners, if you need any help, just please let me know. It doesn't want to say goodbye to you.